Hi folks.
G'day.
G'day. We have some exciting news to reveal for you guys. Myself and my, can I call you glamorous assistant?
Yeah.
You're probably a little bit more than glamorous assistant. But we have some exciting news. We're going down under. So, Steve, so the plan is, now that you're also a brand ambassador now for JLM Lubricants, so you're going to be joining me on a trip down under.
We are, yeah. So, yeah, I'm honoured to have been invited to become an official brand ambassador for JLM. I've been using JLM products for a long time, well, ever since I've known you.
Yeah, a number of years now, fantastic.
We've finally made it official. They've put a ring on my finger.
They have, they put a ring on my finger, so, you know, double trouble now. Right. So, but honestly, you know, we're really excited to be going down. The guys at GCG Turbochargers in Australia, who are JLM Australia and New Zealand. We're going to be working with those guys at the AAAA Expo, so really big event in Melbourne, which is on the 7th, 8th and 9th of April, and the 9th is my birthday, so you'll have to bring a birthday cake on the 9th.
Birthday cake, yeah, so we'll be there at the JLM stand.
25
years?
Yeah, 25 candles on the cake.
Yeah, 25 candles, you know, 50, I bet you any money.
Not far away, not far off, but not quite. So we're going to be on the stand there with the JLM guys, but we're there to sort of meet you guys, any technicians in Australia. Myself and Steve will be doing some Q&A sessions.
Yeah.
So pretty much anything, you know, they want to ask. Obviously, you know, my expertise is DPF related stuff. Steve, you can pretty much ask anything that's to do with anything that has a wire on the end of it.
That's it. Anything wires, wiggly lines, you know, JLM products that are not specifically diesel or DPF related. Just come say hi, ask your questions, come and get involved with us.
And we'll also share some case studies. Definitely. But we're also going to be, some of you guys will know Stephen Kasapas from Northside Master Auto Tech in Brisbane. He's going to be joining us, so the three of us will be on hand to answer any questions. Don't go away and not ask them. So we're going to host some 10 to 15 minute sessions on the stand where people can just come and ask anything. We're also going to show you how inside our world, how we work inside our training portal, and things like that. But we'll also share some case studies, Steve, as
definitely,
well.
Yeah, we'll have some case studies. We'll have a couple of videos to share with you, a bit of, you know, live analysis and stuff like that. We'll have a look at some, you know, wires and wiggly lines, and But I think the more important thing is just to enable you folks to, you know, to come and join our communities, come and get involved.
Yeah, come meet us. The guys we work with in Australia at the moment, fantastic guys. Would love to meet more of you. But just come say hello. If you've got any questions or you're not sure what we're all about, come and ask. If you have any questions JLM related, you know, we have a huge amount of experience in using the products, but you know, we'll only answer you openly and honestly, so we don't bite. Please come and say hello. We're really excited to be coming across. And we'll also be hosting our own small event 2 days after the event up at Josh's at the Automotive Clinic, which is on the outskirts of Melbourne. So come and see us on the JLM GCG Turbochargers stand, and we'll give you a flyer as an invite to that event, which is going to be on the 11th of April. That's going to be dead relaxed. It's turn up at the workshop. Bring some cars if you want to bring some cars. We'll have a couple of talks each and just really get to know you guys. So that's going to be dead relaxed. Turn up in your shorts, whatever. Just turn up and come and say hello. So, but pop and see us at the event, and we'll give you an invite to that. We'll give you not a ticket because it's a free event, but we'll give you a flyer to show that you've come and spoke to us, and we'll invite you along to that as well. So.
Yeah.
So
And when you come to the stand, we like coffee, black coffee.
we like it good, and no rubbish, by the way. We like a nice, strong black coffee. So you know, if you want to get on our good books, bring coffee. You know, so we might need it because it's 39 hours from Newcastle, where we are at the moment in the northeast of England, to Melbourne. Is 39 hours each way, so we might need coffee.
I think we might, yeah.
I think we might, but we're super excited. We cannot wait to come and meet you all, so please do pop along and say hello. We don't bite and we don't mind answering difficult questions, so pop and say hello. It'd be great to meet you. So
Brilliant.
we'll see you soon.
See you then. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.